salto.
Welcome to this bonus salto tutorial. In this video, we show you how to manually set up a jumping course with the bonus salto builder pack. We refer to this approach as traditional or manual course building and named it Method A, in contrast to Method B, the smart building that makes use of our Resor technology. You will learn how to prepare any jumps that you may have and then set up a jumping course with them. For demonstration purposes, we only use one jump. You will see that the process is straightforward and simple. Before we delve into details, let us unpack the Builder Pack delivery box and get the two necessary components needed for this tutorial. If you purchased via Marketplace, then the components are already available in folders and you can skip these steps. Put the box in World and click the top to unpack. You should see a new folder in your inventory with more boxes. We need the part about jump building and Method A course building. Put both boxes in World and unpack them as well. Again, you will see two folders in your inventory and could move them into the first folder that you got to keep everything together. For this demo, we will just leave them. We are ready to start now and first prepare a jump for the course. Let us assume that you have already finished your jump object and have put it in place. In order to create such a jump, you can either use your own objects or use parts provided in the jump building folder, such as flags, jump bars, and others. All right. One thing we have to do in any case is to add a checkpoint sensor. You also find it in the jump building folder and simply place it in World aligned with the jump. The checkpoint will make sure that the horse has passed this location. Otherwise, this is counted as a miss and may lead to disqualification. The standard width of the checkpoint is 5 meters, which is fine in our case. You may have to adjust to fit. We make it transparent because it should not be seen usually. However, if you want to check for any transparent objects, you can use the toggle Ctrl-Alt-T to enable and disable the view of such objects. If you prepare a cross-country jump, that is all you have to do. Since this is a stadium jump with a jump bar, we want that bar to fall on collision and then count as a fault. In our case, the jump is all in one piece. We have to make sure the bar is separated from the rest, and therefore, we unlink it. Now we add two scripts. The jump bar script will make the bar fall. By the way, this can also be used for wall parts or similar. The second script, sensor relay, will report a fault if the bar falls. Let's try it out. It works. Now let us add a start and a finish to actually build a course. You find such objects in the Method A course building folder. The signs will show the rider where to find the start and finish. You can also use your own. Really important are the lines called finish line, with the finish sensor, and tracker, which is the start line with the start sensor and the course tracker. After finding good spots for everything, we have to configure the elements. We simply associate a certain number to all the sensors in our course, except the start sensor, which does not need a number. For the jump, which is our obstacle number 1, we give this information in the checkpoint by entering a 1 in the description field. There we write checkpoint 1. Same for the jump bar. Here we use fault 1. If there is more than one bar for a jump, they all get the same jump number. Only the first reported fault of the same number will be counted. If you have more jumps, you would give them number 2, 3, and so on. The finish also gets a number that would come next. In our case, with only one jump, the finish gets the number 2. And that's it. Let us try the course. As we ride through the start, we get a message, and the course tracker also notifies us if we pass a checkpoint. Finally, we get a report of our run through the course. Let us not forget to test if faults are reported as well, and that works nicely too. You can repeat the process for more jumps. Just make sure you use the right numbers. The jump building folder also contains a jump number sign that automatically shows the number that you enter in the description field. After you entered the number and close the edit window, just click the sign and you should see it. The method we demonstrated here is simple and straightforward. It is quick to integrate your own jump designs and also great to learn how the components with sensors work together. However, that easy approach has some drawbacks, especially if you want to use many jumps and plan to change your courses and jumps often. It is also difficult to use the same space for a variety of different courses. Please consider our smart building method that is much better suited if you like to build and use different courses quick and often. And this concludes the video tutorial about traditional jump and course building. See you next time. Enjoy your jump design and happy riding.